hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can import music and sound effects into KineMaster on iPhone or iPad in 2021. This is the only way that I know of downloading copyright-free music and to put in your videos. So follow this tutorial step by step. Now this is an updated version to how to import music KineMaster tutorial iPhone or iPad in 2021. So let's get straight right into it. So we're gonna open up YouTube. If you don't already have that open, you should definitely open that up right now. And you want to type in no copyright music. Now if you have the premium version of YouTube, you can just tap on download and you can download that video right there, and you can just extract that you can just extract the sound from this exact copyright free music, and you'll be able to have that. And what you want to do, you want to go to files, and then you want to go to extract that, and then you want to send that to KineMaster, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So we're going to just tap on the share button, and we're going to copy that. And what you would want to do, you want to tap on that link in the description, and that will take you to a website that you can use to put that video into KineMaster, that music, into KineMaster. So now that you have that downloaded, hey guys, so as I mentioned, what you would want to do, you need to copy that link of that specific video that you want to download. So in this case, you want to tap on share, and you want to copy the link to that video, and just tap on the website that I've linked in the description, and you'll be able to get that, and you can just do that. I cannot say what I want to say because I don't want to get a copyright strike, so do bear with me, but you can definitely ask me questions in the comment section. So you should open up Safari, tap on the download arrow, make sure to paste that link into the link box when you tap on that website. So I'm gonna tap on this, and then I'm gonna just tap on this box with an up arrow up in the top right hand corner, and then I'm just gonna swipe to my right, and then I'm gonna tap on KineMaster. So as you can see, it says here, Mark for takeaway vlog no copyright music was saved to the internal folder in the audio browser. Now we're gonna tap on done, and then we're gonna go to create new. If you guys have your project open already, you don't have to do this. So I'm just gonna do this to show you guys for an example. So let me just do this quickly. A second here. So give me. So guys, now that you have your non-copyright music downloaded from YouTube, you want to just tap on layer, and then you want to tap on audio, and then you want to go back, and then this is the internal folder. Remember it said that it's saved into the internal browser. Now this is what it's talking about. This is talking about the internal folder. So you want to tap on the internal folder, and then you have your music downloaded right there. You just can tap on it. It says the operation couldn't be completed. Okay, give me a second. Just tap on the plus, and then it'll be added to your video. And you can play with it or play with it and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to add a sound effect now. So we're going to throw this in the garbage. I already showed you guys how to import music. So we're going to tap on audio once again. Give me that. Then we're going to tap on, no, give me a second. We're going to tap on later. No, not that. Sorry. Okay, let's look for this sound effects. We're gonna tap on get sound effects if you haven't already. Streamer has their own thing, and if you want to add custom sound effects, you can do the exact same thing which I showed you how to do. You can follow the exact same steps as I showed you when I was importing the music. So I'm just gonna download one sound effect here, and obviously these things are free. So just gonna tap on download. Oh my gosh, oh sorry, oh my goodness, give me a second. These should be free. Okay, yeah, this one is free. So now that we have that installed, we're just gonna tap on it, and then we're gonna tap on the plus, and there you have your sound effect imported into your video. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If this tutorial helped you in any way, shape, or form, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what you think about this tutorial, and definitely hit that share button to share this tutorial with your friends that may be wanting to do this exact same thing. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one.
I know gold is not in her. She's a